Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is motivation and procrastination. Motivation and procrastination are two concepts that are intricately linked in understanding human behavior and goal pursuit. Procrastination refers to the tendency to delay or postpone tasks or activities, often despite knowing that doing so may lead to negative consequences. Motivation, on the other hand, is the driving force behind goal directed behavior, influencing the initiations, persistence, and completion of tasks. Here's an explanation of the relationship between motivation and procrastination. Motivation as a key factor. Motivation plays a central role in both procrastination and task completions. When individuals are motivated to achieve goal or complete a task, they are more likely to initiate action, stay focused, and persist in their efforts until the task is completed. Lack of motivation or low level of motivation can increase the likelihood of procrastination, as individuals may struggle to find the energy or enthusiasm to start the continue working on task. Types of motivation. Different type of motivations can influence the likelihood of procrastination. Internal motivation, which involves engaging in activities for internal satisfaction or enjoyment, is associated with lower levels of procrastination. When individuals are internally motivated to pursue a task because they find it interesting, enjoyable, or meaningful, they are more likely to overcome procrastination tendencies and engage in the task willingly. External motivation, on the other hand, which involves engaging in activities for external reward or consequences, may be less effective in reducing procrastination, especially if the rewards are perceived as unappealing or insufficient. Procrastination as a self-regulation failure. Procrastination often reflects a breakdown in self-regulation, where individuals struggle to manage their impulses, emotions, and behaviors effectively. It can result from various factors, including fear of failure, perfectionism, low self-confidence, lack of clarity or motivation, task aversions, or difficulty managing distractions. Procrastinations may provide temporary relief from negative emotions or discomfort associated with task engagement, but it can ultimately lead to increased stress, anxiety, and guilt, as well as impaired performance and productivity. Motivational strategies to combat procrastination. Addressing procrastinations requires strategies that enhance motivation, self-regulation, and goal pursuit. Some effective strategies include setting clear, specific, and achievable goals, breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps, creating a structured environment conducive to task completion, using reward and incentive to reinforce progress and achievement, cultivating internal motivation by connecting tasks to personal value, interest, and long-term goals, practicing self-compassion and reframing failure as a learning opportunity rather than a reflection of self-worth, utilizing time managed techniques such as prioritizing prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and minimizing distractions, seeking social support, accountability, and feedback from others to stay motivated and on track. In summary, motivation and procrastination are closely intertwined aspects of human behavior. Understanding the factors that influence motivation and self regulation can help individuals identify and address underlying reasons for procrastination, develop effective strategies to overcome it, and enhance their ability to achieve their goals and fulfill their potential. Thank you.